Hey guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am unboxing this month's Birchbox. I'm not feeling too great at the moment. I've got a cold and a sore throat, but I really wanted to do this unboxing for you guys, so that's why I'm doing this video even though I'm ill. If you guys don't know what Birchbox is, it's a monthly subscription box of 5 beauty items. They can be makeup, hair care, skincare products, and it's $12.95 monthly. I'll have all the information that you need in the description box, including a website link to a Birchbox. So let's just get into this box and see what we have this month. Now, the design of the box this month is just absolutely beautiful. It is Birchbox, but they're like collaborating or like featuring Paperchase, and the design is just absolutely beautiful. Got some like shots from in the sky and beaches and palm trees. So it's kind of like a journey holiday themed box because it says, and so the adventure begins. This is the life, take me back, run away with me. It's just absolutely adorable. It kind of reminds me of Urban Decay Born to Run palette, the design of that palette, because it's a bit like this one as well. So let's open it up and see what we have. So those are all the goodies. Let's try and find a description card because you do get one in every single box. So here is the description card. On the front it says, "This is a life, Birchbox and Paperchase." Super cute. And then you do get all the description about all the products in this box. So I'm just going to read what this box is about, and it just says, "Hello Birchboxers. As summer stretches ahead of us this June, we want to inspire your wanderlust and encourage you to get adventurous. Whether that's booking a flight or exploring a little closer to home, wouldn't it be nice to kick back in the sun and think this is the life? And as if you need any extra excuse, we've partnered with Paperchase, the colourful British stationery brand, to bring you a beautiful box filled with summer-ready treats." And on the back we do have a July sneak peek, and it's from Incredible. Now this brand I do like, and it's a sheet mask. We can choose either from a unicorn or a flower power sheet. And the unicorn is moisturising and brightening, and then the flower power is hydrating and smoothing. So I might go for the flower power just because I love masks that hydrate my face. So that is the one that I'll probably go for. But Incredible, I absolutely love them. Alright, so we have another little paper leaflet type of thing in the box as well, and this is by Paperchase, and it says, "Oh, hello there. We're Paperchase, a British stationery cards and gift brand with stores all over the UK and even some across the seas. Big fan of bright colours and bold patterns. We're designed for all stationery lovers. From marble print ring binders for the filling freaks to dotted page notebooks for the journaling junkies. We love bringing you fresh ideas every day and have been dreaming up and designing our products in London since 1968. Love from Paperchase." And then on the back you do get like a 20% off at Paperchase. And you have one for yourself and then one for a friend. So there's different codes that you can use online, or you can show this in their store to obviously get the 20% off. So that's quite cool that you get that in there as well. So now let's look a little bit closer at the products and pick one out by one and see what we have. So the first product that I picked out is by a brand that I know, and it's Larizzi Cosmetics. This is a lipstick. So I'm guessing it's kind of like a lip crayon. And it's in the colour Plum. I'm pretty sure I picked this one out because we did get a choice. An email came through. We did get a choice. And here is the lipstick. It is so beautiful. I love the matte black packaging. It is really, really stunning. So there's a swatch. It's very much a plum colour because obviously the shade is called Plum, and I think it matches it really, really well. So this has 3.6 grams of product in. So I'm just going to read more about this product. So Larizzi lipstick in Plum or Gala. This clever pencil gives you an easy way to achieve perfectly defined lips. The secret is a lip liner and lipstick in one. Use the tip to line, then fill with buildable colour. Taking out the heavy feel of traditional lipsticks, the creamy formula is lightweight and hydrating with a gorgeous satin finish. This is a full size for £20. So that is the first product. So the next product we have is by probably one of my favourite brands ever, and it's Rituals. This is the Ritual of Karma Spread the Kindness Body Cream, Holy Lotus and Organic White Tea. Now I did an unboxing of their advent calendar last year, and oh my god, I was in heaven because I absolutely love Rituals. I think I was introduced to Rituals in Glossy box. I think they put it in their box 1 month, and oh my god, I loved it ever since. The smells are just amazing, so I'm really happy that I've got one in Birchbox this month. Even though I probably got like a lot of body creams, I still love getting new ones. So this is a 70ml tube, which is kind of like the same amount that I got in the advent calendar, so again, really happy. According to ancient Hindu belief, living with good intent attracts good karma. Do good and good will come your way. Rich cream enhanced with Holy Lotus and Organic White Tea to soothe the skin and leave it silky smooth. So Rituals, the Ritual of Karma body cream. This body cream is the ultimate multitasker, rejuvenating both body and mind, combining the interesting aroma of lotus flower with the pampering Organic White Tea. The nourishing formula sinks in quickly to hydrate your skin and calm the senses. Massage into clean skin daily for super soft limbs. So this isn't a full size. The full sizes are normally in pots, so this isn't one, and a full size is £18.50. So not a bad price when you have a full size. So the next product I have is by Amika, and it's Boost Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. This is a 20ml tube. It says how blondes keep it cool, so it is for blonde. I'm obviously not blonde. Ultra weight brass boosting cleanser lets hair stay bright and light. So this is a shampoo for a blonde. I actually do know a blonde, so this will go to her so she can use it, because obviously not a blonde. Maybe when I did the survey where you kind of like say what your skin type is, what your hair colour is, maybe I was a blonde at that time, but I'm not sure. I don't think I was. I might have been, actually. I might have been. But it is quite cool. I know you can get a lot of like shampoos that kind of help with blondes. I think there's one called like Silver or something like that, where the product is actually like purple and it quite stains if you put it on your clothing. It just lifts the colour if it's turning into like an orangey shade. It just takes it back to like a blonde, so it's quite cool. So yeah, it's just the same sort of colour as what I was telling you about with another brand that I know. So Amika Boost Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. Wave goodbye to brassy colours and keep your blonde strands light and bright with this ultraviolet shampoo. Sea buckthorn berries, wild cherry bark extracts and avocado oil helps to stop brassiness in its tracks, as well as ejects moisture, elasticity and shine into your locks. Massage into damp hair before rinsing and follow with conditioner. This isn't a full size. I'm not sure how much is in a full size, but it is £18 for a full size. That is a lot of money for a shampoo. So next product we have is a sneak peek from last month, and it's a product from Benefit, and it's the Gimme Brow. It's a brow volumizing fibre gel, and this one has 1.0 grams of product in, and it's in the colour Natural Deep Brown 4.5. So it's going to be a good shade for me. So it says how to use. Stroke brush tip along brows to define shape. Brush through to blend and build. So the claims are that it volumizes, tames and tint brows. It's natural looking and buildable, and it's water resistant and long wearing. So this is what the Gimme Brow looks like. It is quite cute actually, very small. And then the brush looks like this. It's very tiny, but it is big enough to just go through your brows. And that's the colour Neutral Deep Brown. So I'm just going to put some in here. Very nice. I do like that. It's filled in my brows really nicely. Right, okay, so Benefit Gimme Brow, and it's in shades 2, 3 or 4.5. Just a few strokes of this magical brush gives you fuller brows that stay in place all day but still look natural. Thanks to the water-resistant microfiber that enhances the skin and hair in creating fullness and definition. Beginning at the start of your brows and moving upwards, use small upward strokes to define and shape. The tiny tapered brush makes mess proof application easy. Now this isn't obviously a full size. I'm not sure how much product is a full size, but the full size is £21.50, so a lot more product than this one. So now on to the last product, and I'm so excited, and this is from the brand Wonder Beauty, which I've never heard of, and it's Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and it just says individually packed gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the mask to adhere better to skin. And the third is a cellulose fibre that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil offer a cooling effect while soothing and calming the eye area. I can't wait to try these ones out. They'll probably be the next ones that I do use. Okay, so let's read a little bit more about this brand. So Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Send your under eye bags packing with these hydrating, depuffing and brightening eye masks. Their 3 layers prevent the evaporation of ingredients, keep the mask firmly on and deliver key oils, making this triad all you need after a late night. Place under your eyes and relax for 10 minutes before removing. Now I don't think it's a full size, because it doesn't actually say it is a full size. I think you get multiple when they're all together for a full size, and that is £20. So obviously not one on its own is £20, you get a couple, but it is nice to try them out and see if you like them to go and buy some more. I can't wait to try this one out. I do love a good eye mask at the moment. I use a full face sheet mask, and then after that's all done I do put an extra eye mask on just to kind of give it more of a hydration under the eye. And then I just put like a serum on the face as well. So I do love eye masks. I can't wait to use this one. So that is everything in this month's Birchbox. I'm really happy with everything in this box. I'll obviously be giving the shampoo to one of my blonde friends, but everything else I'm definitely going to use for myself. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here, and it's also linked in my description box for you guys to go and check that out. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.